Hi, it's Rihanna, and after all these years, I could not be more excited to announce that Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin are finally going to be available across the Caribbean and in my home country, Barbados. Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin were inspired by my own beauty needs, and of course, growing up in the Caribbean, I know you will all find something that works for you.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're on a wonderful day today, but it's a few trending topics I see popping out of the dance hall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Rihanna because, you know, she is sending Jamaicans into a frenzy because she never want to sell her products on the island. You see, as you know, she mentioned Antigua, Aruba, Bahamas, Barbados, Bermuda, Cayman, and Trinidad and Tobago, plus Grenada. You see, as you see, some people is mentioning, you know, Fontana Pharmacy, Mirror Jamaica, and all of these people that could have, you know, been a distributor for the Queen in the island. And you know what, people? We can't be mad at Rihanna because it's business, it's not personal. You see, I don't know what business aspects why she wouldn't want to sell her products in Jamaica, but probably it has to do with taxes and importation fees, and me don't know. One bagger and a one, you see, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Because you know, them people, they must say, you know, she cannot buy Jamaican style and run with it. You see, but I'm not saying that, you feel me? I'm pretty sure she's going to disclose business-wise why she's not distributing the island as yet. But we just did want giving that update while I'm going for that to go on. You see, I said, put in the comment section where you think about that, because this is not the first time Jamaicans has been tracking Rihanna. Yes,
why Jamaicans
nobody
dissing
endorse
Rihanna?
dancehall music and reggae music like Rihanna. Me never see Rihanna try bring down Jamaican in a no way. And me see uno Jamaican people a bring down the girl because I just what she wear. She could have wear something better than that. So uno chat uno can't dare for buy Riri dress right now. Uno can't dare for buy Riri dress right now. And so uno sit down and bring down the woman because Barbados make our national hero, and look how much things uno need to come out and come talk about. When you come out and come talk about it, because Jamaican people only honor dead people. Dead people, Jamaican honor. Dead people, Jamaica say a hero. Jamaican people only wait until you're dead. As a matter of fact, the government only wait until you're dead before they honor. Now, uno Jamaican people run back on them and agree with them all the while. And look how now deal with Rihanna. How she could have wear something better. Or ever she go, uno love judge people too much. Uno love discriminate people too much. Every time a people sex, them life, uno just stigmatize people, uno just get up and bring down on own kind of way. That's why uno can't better off. No found no way to talk about Rihanna dress and her this and her that. Hungry a kill uno. Rihanna dress right now can buy uno how much house and car and land. Uno did they talk about the woman dress. Nobody support reggae music like Rihanna. For sure, no how no stay. Uno not happy for people. Uno could have simple just write congratulations. Uno gone for her dress. Uno gone for her this. Uno no know nothing about the woman and not talk about what she do for deserve national hero title. What Andrew do for deserve prime minister. Uno make him there. People like me and uno make him prime minister and say uno do. Unless you say all of them outside and run up and down now because nomination is going on. Election is out there. Uno is a set of lunatic.
Okay, people, the next trending topic I say out of Jamaica is, you know, Jamaicans dragging Cardi B for giving Offset a jacket. You see, I said Cardi B, and me, I said, you know, me, I'm just a messenger, because we posted the video with Cardi B, you know, describing the features, you know, of their newborn daughter. It's going to be darker than their eldest daughter, Culture. And as you can see in the comment section, this the people them opposite. So, you know what we're going to do? We're going to play the video with Cardi B describing the people their child feature, and then we'll proceed.
She's so beautiful. And she's brown. She's brown. I think she's going to be a little bit darker than Culture. I think she's going to be a little darker than Culture. I think she is. She's going to be a little bit darker than Culture.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. Because honestly, I think it's just a publicity stunt just to sell records. You feel me? As you can see, Offset said, you know, the reason why them in a bag is because she cheated while, you know, she was pregnant with his child inside of him still. And she said, and did. So, you know, that's just fueling the bag of mix up people on social media, you see me? But the end of the day, we all know that Offset is a cheater, so it doesn't matter if he plays the bad guy role in all of this. You see, my says to support him wife, you know what I mean? Who I know, well, I don't know, but, I don't think she would, violate her child like that. Because you don't know why you can't catch out there, you feel me? You see, my said when you step outside the marriage. But anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, but I know everybody knows Keyshia is interviewing Vybz Kartel and his wife sit down. He said, and possibly his son look at it because we say, I'm a roll with him, daddy, from a day, and he's definitely in Mobay with them. This said, putting out the comment section where you think about that. No, I don't know why a lot of people is, dealing with Keyshia that way, I mean, she's always been that girl. She's always represented her culture. She's Jamaican, from Jamaica, and you see, say, so we don't know why they might deal with her that way. There, you see, say, she has her podcast on YouTube now, amongst other things, dealing with, I mean, her teabag foolishness, not foolishness, but or not for doodle them foolishness, you see, say, the waist trainer, and most other people know her by, Gucci Man's wife, you see, say, who held him down when he was in prison and flip them money, you see me? So let's give you an update while going with Keyshia and Vybz Kartel is back in Mobay. As you can see, you see me, I said the fans, is loving them artists, you see it. So let's proceed to the next note. Now, people, before we proceed to some bag and mix up, I want to know to follow me on TikTok on the screen, the page that you see in front of you. See, I said we need 1,000 people to activate the features to go live. You see, I said I want to start a live there to reach a broader audience. So I really appreciate if you do. So you're probably seeing Ivani and her man on the screen. Yes, Kino got a taste of team sensation yesterday after them seemingly was trying to flirt with another girl on him life, even though he was just conducting business. So let's take a look at what going for that to go on and then we proceed.
Yo, what is they talking about in my chat?
They must have joined your chat for me.
Yeah, that is what they did. Somebody said, leave. Leave. Hold up, your name is V. What's your name? How you say your name?
They talking about my name Kino. I'm Kino.
Who is they? They keep saying somebody named Vonnie or Vanny in my chat.
Hey, y'all missing this.
Oh, they said leave Vanny man alone. Vonnie, who is that? Who the hell is Vonnie? Vanny, who y'all talking about? They said leave people. They said leave people man alone. What did y'all talk about? He matched me. Like, come on now. And I don't even know who y'all talk about. Nor do I care.
Hey, y'all funny.
They said you a better match. I don't even know who y'all talking about, gang. Like, I don't even know who y'all talking about. Don't pay them any mind, girl. That's what I'm saying. Y'all gonna hop on my chat chatting. Like, come on now.
Hey, man.
They said his girlfriend. Okay, sis.
Y'all funny as fuck. I ain't gonna...
I thought y'all ate that? No. What the fuck is you talking about?
Oh, my God. Y'all funny as hell.
Hey, y'all gotta show me who y'all... Now I wanna know who y'all talking about. When I hop off this live, I'm gonna see who y'all talking about.
Well, go search up.
They said you look nicer than her. You better for him. No, y'all got me dead. Y'all be matchmaking anybody on TikTok. We've been on live for 3 seconds.
Y'all crazy. Come on now.
They said his baby mama. Oh.
Hey, they lock it. Hey, they lock in on their goal, y'all. They lock in on their goal, y'all. Come on. Let me get this. Dang, I got the dino set up.
They talking about Ivany. I don't know who that is. Y'all gotta see. Look, now I don't do my research. Like, she probably not from New York, so I don't know who y'all talk about. Y'all gotta send me who y'all talk about. Don't pay them no mind.
That's my girl though. They talking about my girl. Oh my God, naturally, let's do it.
Oh, that's what it's your girl this whole time. I'm weak.
Yeah,
They said she's Jamaican. She's a famous Jamaican TikToker. Oh, okay. Yeah, y'all definitely joined my chat from his chat because I never seen y'all in my chat ever. And now y'all in my chat. I even need a Jamaican TikTok girl. Oh, okay, heard you.
I want something like this.
Hey, lock in, y'all. Lock in, y'all. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
What? Yeah, that's fire. I would get it with green though.
Of course you would. Oh my God, why don't we could take a picture? You got green, I got pink, and it could be Cosmo and Wanda.
Yeah, we could do that.
Oh yeah, black cards.
Who's been posted to that?
Ooh, we getting our dinos in. Let me they go. Okay. Oh my God. She just get to go by herself.
Yeah. Girl, are those black? Are those blank
Go by
pages?
herself. Oh my God.
Oh, those are fake pages. You said blank pages. I was wild confused.
Come on, y'all. Let me see. Let's set up a new goal.
I'm weak.
Yeah, I want to make some of y'all a mod and stuff, but I don't know if I can. I'm gonna just have to go live more to see if I can trust y'all for real. Cause I'm not just picking any of y'all. Y'all can't fool me. Of course I'm gonna wait. Of course I'm gonna wait.
Someone said, nah, they going get girl crazy in my chat. Like, yo, what?
They definitely loyal.
Yeah, big up Team Sensations, my creation. People, don't forget to go up on my other channels, them if no one continue with more bagger and mix up. You see, my because you know, run yes with the entertainment reviews, musical reviews. But run on my other page, that's straight bagger and mix up. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.